I'm on a mission to see if it's possible to go from broke to a millionaire in 1 year. Hey friends, I'm Deedee and welcome to day 18 of the experiment. So we have officially completed 2 weeks. This video was supposed to go up on Sunday, but life happened and so it's a little delayed. Forgive me for that. Like I said, every week I want to give an update of how the previous week went. Last week went really good. This week, on the other hand, is in complete shambles. For the past 4 days, my life has just been like this. But we are back to some normalcy today. One of my goals for this experiment is to make one small improvement every single day and one major change every single week. For the past 4 days, I've not been following my diet, I've not been following my fasting. I've been keeping up with all of my other activities. I've been working out consistently every day. I've been keeping up with my Spanish and my Russian every day. Not as much as I would want to. I've been procrastinating a lot, in all honesty. I think when I get to a place of uncertainty, I procrastinate a lot. I'm at the stage in the experiment where I'm starting to think, is this goal even realistic? And I know that this goal is not realistic, in all honesty. Being realistic is not my aim. I intentionally chose to be delusional. I wanted to be intentionally delusional and see what it is that I could accomplish in 1 year if I just put my mind to it. I just want to be as crazy as possible because what I'm trying to do is completely crazy. If it was something that was easy to do, lots of people would have done it. I would have done it already, in all honesty, if it was easy to do. So it being easy was not the goal. The goal was to be intentionally delusional. I think I'm rambling, so let's change topic. So let's talk about my diet. My diet has been in complete shambles for the past few days. On Sunday, I woke up and I felt for ackee and saltfish, and I bought ackee and saltfish and I had 4 dumplings. This is about 200 grams of carbs, if not more. That meal alone kicked me out of keto. And then on Tuesday, I wanted oxtail, and I had oxtail and rice and cabbage and plantains, just a bunch of stuff. And then on Tuesday, I had pizza and wings, I had chicharrones and plantains, and today I had pizza and wings for breakfast already. So I'm completely out of ketosis. It's not even a question. So what I'm going to do is, for the rest of this week, I am just going to eat whatever I want. I'm just going to indulge myself, eat just whatever I want for the rest of the week. And then starting next Sunday, the 22nd of February, I am going to go back onto my clean keto. So the next major change is for my YouTube channel. So like I mentioned, I created a bunch of YouTube channels. I have one where I'm working out. I have one where I'm doing my sewing. I have one where I'm doing travel vlogs. I have one where I'm doing a karaoke where I do like makeup and eating and cooking and blah 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 blah. So what I want to do is, like I said last week, I want to invest 4 hours every single day towards my YouTube channel, towards developing my YouTube channel. So moving forward, I want to do a half an hour every day of brainstorming, just coming up with ideas of videos that I want to create. So I have another skits one as well. I want to do a half hour of brainstorming, and I want to do a half hour of research. So I want to research the new trends, what's going on in YouTube, how the algorithm is changing. I want to see how the cool kids are creating their thumbnails. The way that I'm creating my thumbnail is how PewDiePie taught me how to create my thumbnail in probably 2016 or 2018. So it's been like 10 years since I've changed the format of how I created my thumbnail. So like thumbnail and title and all of these things I want to do. So half hour of research and half hour of brainstorming. I realized that when I sit down to meditate every day and I close my eyes for probably the first like 5 minutes, my brain is just rushing with ideas, and I'm like, the goal of meditation is to turn off your brain, but these ideas are just flooding into my mind. So I started setting aside like 10 minutes before my meditation to just sit down and just let whatever thoughts I'm thinking just come to my brain and just flood my mind, and then I can write them down or whatever. I want my content to be good. I want my content to be enjoyable. I want millions of people to see this. I want to succeed, and I want you guys to be entertained watching me succeed. So yeah, like I said last week, in last week's video, the strategy has not changed. I do not know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just a girl with a dream. That's it. I'm just a girl with a dream trying to make my dreams a reality. I have no clue what I'm doing. If I knew what I was doing, I would not be doing this experiment. I would already be successful, okay? So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just throwing things at the wall and seeing what sticks. That is my strategy. So I see a lot of comments asking me, Deedee, how do you plan on doing? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I does not knows. Okay? I does not. So quit asking me questions. Listen, I just work here. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. I'm just trusting the process. I'm just a girl with a dream. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to make my dream a reality. I am just brave enough to try new shit. That's it. That's it. That's as deep as it gets. At the end of the year, one of two things is going to happen. Either I'm going to succeed or I'm going to fail. Either way, it's going to be entertaining. So subscribe, join me on this journey and see where it goes. You'll either learn what to do or what not to do. I think those are two good lessons. Either you see this girl that was intentionally, ridiculously delusional, following her dream, and she was successful, or you see a girl who was ridiculously, intentionally delusional, and she failed and fall on her face. I think either way is a good lesson. Anyways, that is it. That's all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye bye.